of my 8x16 gambrel shed series. In this video, I'm going to be framing and siding. I went to Lowe's and hand selected 90 2x4x8s and 6 2x4x16s. I'm going to cut my 2x4x8 studs to 82.5 inches. Then I will cut. There is my first wall stud. I'm going to be marking out my stud locations on my bottom plate. I'm going to make a double stud at the end here because I'm going to have a door. I mark it at 1.5 and 3. Then I come over and 3/4 before 16. You make an X to the right side of it. That's where your stud's going to be. And you do that all the way down. And then I'm going to come back and mark out my window and door locations. Then I'm going to get my top plate and I'm going to mark it evenly with the bottom plate and just square it off so it'll save me a lot of time of measuring again. So I'm done with this one. Now I will get my top plate. I'm going to square it with my bottom plate. I get my speed square. Now I'm going to line my top plate up flush with my bottom plate, and I'm going to mark straight lines all the way across to save me time for measuring all that. I'm going to mark where my studs are going to be, my stud locations, with the X's, and then do it all the way over, come down, make a straight line across, and then there's going to be stud right there, come down, line it up with this, and draw a straight line across, and there's going to be my stud on the right side of my line, and keep doing that all the way down. Then I will come back and figure out where my windows and doors are going to be. And I'm done. Mark out where my studs are going to be on the right side of it, and that's my bottom and top plate. Now I just have to figure out where my windows and doors are going to be. I'm nailing in my first stud. I'm excited. Time for my 77.5 inch jack studs. Slide them into place. Along my king studs. You cut them shorter for the header, and yeah, we just push it tight to the king stud. And we can nail it. then after, I'm going to nail my king stud to my jack stud. Put a few nails in there so they're nice and tight together. To that jack stud. Just squeeze it tight. Get it tight over. Right on my mark. Should be 90 degrees, and it is. Now. You can nail this. Now this is tight for the bottom nail. So now we can put in the bottom nail. There. Now both of our jack studs are in. And then now we have to build the header. This is my framed out wall. This is where my 36 by 36 vinyl window is going. Here's where my right end swing 36 by 80 fiberglass door is going. And as you can see, I almost got my second wall framed entirely. I just have to do 2 more cripple boards, nail them at the top. I'm going to be using air nails on this wall because it takes half the time that it would take half the time that it did that wall. That wall took me about 2 hours, and this wall is taking me about 1 hour. I just have to nail these 2 cripple boards on. That one nailed. Now I move over. Get this square. There! My second wall is framed. I'm ready to put siding on. I just finished cutting out my T11 Smart side with my jigsaw. And now I'm going to nail around where the window is going to go. Plumb and square up my second wall. I put my siding on when it was lit. use Dad's tractor to stand it up. I'm gonna get it level with the end. That's level. I have to square it to the top. The top has to go between. I got both of my walls up and both of them sheeted with my T111 Smart Side. I got my 2 holes cut out for my windows. I'm gonna I caulked a little bit of the nail holes. And then I got my cross braces that hold the walls up and out. And yeah, I got these cut out and my door cut out. And I'm putting my windowsill on right now, and then I have to sheet it. Alright, now that I got this wall framed, I'm going to lift up the lower gable end wall. Pretty close. There we go. This is my last nail on my gable end. Next is on to the door side. There we go, this wall's done. We got it all sheeted and cut out where the window's going.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. This was part 2 of my workshop / tiny house series. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. I'm trying to go bigger as a small channel. I have part 1 posted already, and that is the floor build, but please follow along on this series to building my tiny house. This is be a really cool, fun series. I'm really excited to get this done. That's all for now. Have a great day, guys.